Hey everyone, it's me, Paul. It's a chilly day today. Anyway, doing a repair on a Tesla Model 3. And if you want to bring it in close, I got bumped here. And this is a three-stage pearl red. So I'm gonna sand this area here and here, and then primer it, and then blend the color out, and then clear coat this whole section, blend in the clear, and should take a couple of hours to knock out, and we'll get started. Got everything prepped. This is the base coat or brown coat, and then we'll throw the mid coat on and then clear coat. So again, first coat is going to be the base color. Okay, got the base coat on, and I'm going to tack off a little bit of the overspray from that. And then we're going to apply the mid coat. Okay, this is the mid coat. I'll pop this open and film inside. Looks almost like Jello, almost. It's translucent, and this what gives it that rich, deep red. Okay, we got the mid coat on, and now it's time for the clear coat. Okay, got everything clear coated. I'm going to do a little bit of wet sanding and buffing. And if we look at the reflection here, see a little bit of a wrinkle in there because I got so many layers. It's a three-stage, and plus it's a little cold out, so I didn't want to go too crazy with laying out the clear coat. But this reflection, you should be able to see my Forerunner in here pretty sharp when I'm done wet sanding and buffing. It's really difficult to see, but if you can see, the reflection should be a little bit sharper than what it was before. Okay, all done. This repair took about 4 or 5 hours to complete at the client's house, and as soon as I'm done, that's when the sun comes out. So it was a three-stage pearl red, and any questions that you may have on this type of repair, feel free to contact me, and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.